Mark for Future Bilingual Kindergarten and Primary School Music and Technology major. Today, our little engineers had great fun engaging with the Cubelets robotics set, tasked with building a wheelie-bot. They were first shown a demonstration by the teacher and then had to click the cubes together in just the right way to make sure that their robot worked. Students learned about the principles of robotics, engineering, and programming through hands-on experimentation with Cubelets. They discovered how different Cubelets modules work together to create functional robots, gaining insights into concepts such as modularity, sensors, actuators, and the basics of programming logic.
Our primary philosophy is to educate through technology. We're a bilingual primary school, and our science lessons rule. And it's robotics and engineering that makes us move. With the best educational tools, we know that Mark for Future